morning, all. Am I audible? Okay, so in last lecture, we have seen the concept of what? Can anyone student explain it in briefly? What we have seen in a last lecture? Anyone student? Okay, Dev Patel. Dev Patel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what we have seen in a last lecture of mathematics 1 last week, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Fourier series sums we have seen,
Okay, in
and
that which particular topic we have seen?
topic name I don't remember, but you have given us a sum in
Yeah, I
to
have
solve.
given, but okay, but you should remember, na? Because there are so many okay. Which example I have given you?
F of x equal
Hmm.
to pi plus x minus pi to 0,
Okay.
pi minus x 0 to
Okay.
pi. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Odd and even function.
Odd and even,
Yes.
right? So you should,
Yes, I
yeah.
remember.
That is what minus. We have seen mainly the concept of what minus pi to pi. Fine.
Pi.
And in that when mute yourself all of you, mute yourself, right? So what happened into that? We have seen the concept of odd even. So whenever there will be a what? Zero, whenever there will be a minus pi to pi, right? At that time, we have to check for which odd or even. Fine. So the first condition is what? It should be from minus pi to pi, right? That you can see here. It should be minus pi to pi. Then and then you are going to check the function is odd or even. So in that one we have seen example, which one? We have seen two example, right? Again odd even. There is a two parts are there. We can say a continuous and discontinuous, right? So two parts will be there into that, continuous and discontinuous. So whenever it will be there, so at that time what you are supposed to do? First check odd even, either it will be a continuous or discontinuous, and you have to check it should be minus pi to pi, right? So we have seen some, which one? First one is a x cube, so it is a odd function. Then we have seen minus k to k, fine. So it is what? Discontinuous. When you are having more than one value of fx, minus k and k, right? So at that time what it will be? That is, you have to check for odd and even. And the fun thing is, if you do not find that function is odd or even, or you are having some confusion, right? So what happen? You can go in a normal way. That means what? It's not compulsory you have to find out the function is odd or even in minus pi to pi. Fine. So you can go in a easy method way or a normal way, which we have seen for 0 to 2 pi. Then also your answer will be there only, right? But what is the advantage of odd and even? If you are checking for odd and even, so see, if the function is odd, we have seen a0 and an is 0. So you are not supposed to calculate that term. So in very less time you will get your answer. Just you need to find what? Only bn. Fine. And if the function is even, fine. If the function is even, so what happen? You need to find out only a0 and an, like that. Fine. So that's why we are going for which concept? Odd and even. Okay. That you need to clear in your mind, that why we are going to check odd and even, and it is only in minus pi to pi. Okay, I have given this sum that you have to solve, right? 3 4 students have WhatsApp me, maybe I could not reply them, right? All of them. Okay, now f of x equal to pi plus x, pi minus x. So when you are going to check, first check minus pi to pi. So yes, it is what? Sorry, it is minus pi to pi. Fine. It will be what? Minus pi to pi. So we can go for that. Now right side x is there. That means what? Whatever the format of function, pi plus x, pi minus x. So we can see that only there is a difference of what? Only plus and minus. Sign difference is there. So we are going to check what? Either it is odd or even, right? Otherwise, no need to check. Suppose in last example, we have seen what? It's a k n minus k. So no need to check, right? That function is odd only. While we are going to check when there is a format of function is similar, only the sign difference is there, right? One hint is, so you can check that. Okay, now odd. Okay, either this function is odd or even. Just write down into the chat box. Now don't, okay. Ma'am, I have doubt in the sum. Okay, what doubt you are having? Okay, solved. Fine. It was odd even function. Okay. So what is the function it is? Odd or even function? Even. Okay. Don't write answer right now, right? Even. Okay, odd. Fine. One student have written odd. Can you explain how it is odd? How the function is odd or even? Can any one student can explain? Yeah, Parth, you can unmute.
As ma'am, fx is equals to pi minus
Okay.
x and f
Yeah.
minus x is equals to pi plus x.
Okay.
When we put p minus f pi minus x
Okay.
in
Wait.
minus,
F of minus x. Suppose I want to put instead of x minus x into the first equation. Fine. Because we are going to check in that way. Okay. Yes. You continue. Yeah, Parth.
then if we put in x is equals to minus x, then pi minus x, we get pi plus x. So
Okay.
pi plus x is equals to pi plus x. So f minus x is equals to fx.
Okay, fine. So what happened? Okay, you can mute yourself. Now it's clear. Okay, for those who are not having clear this idea, so what we are going to do, we just put x equal to minus x in any of the equation. Fine. So what happened? The part, as the part told, we'll put minus x into this. So how we are going to write f of minus x equal to pi here instead of x minus x. So obviously it will become pi plus x in 0 to pi. That means what? We have put in which 0 to pi, and we will get what? Pi plus x. So pi plus x is what? F of x. So we can write here what? You can see f of x in which here you can also it replace, right? So you will get what? Minus pi to 0. Same way, f of minus x into which equation first? That means what? In minus pi to 0. Fine. So minus pi to 0. So you will get here what? Pi minus x. Now pi minus x is what? F of x. It is f of x, but in which interval? 0 to pi. Right? So you will get your answer. That means what? We can say that f of x equal to f of minus fx. That means our function is even. Fine. So that's why our function is what? Even. And whenever the even function is that, which term is supposed to be 0? Anyone student? I'll, okay. Dhruvraj, 19 number. Unmute yourself, Dhruvraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the function is become even. So which
Yes, ma'am.
term? There are three terms, a0, an, bn. So which term is supposed to be 0?
A and B and
See, you
I
should,
think B
sorry,
and I think.
I think, okay. Have you solved that, this example? Have
Oh,
you
ma'am, I
solved
was doing the assignment.
which assignment?
Assignments the given.
Okay. So, okay, fine. You can mute yourself. So, bn equal to 0. Okay. So, what happened? Now you need to find only a0 and an. Okay. You need to find only a0 and an. So, first we'll find a0. Okay. a0 equal to 2 upon pi. Now, this will become what? 0 to pi. fx dx, and our fx in 0 to pi you have to take, right? In 0 to pi, what is fx? Just see 0 to pi. That is what? Pi minus x. So you need to take this only. This pi minus x. Okay, that also you need to take care about that. That how you are supposed to take it, right? Fx. 0 to pi, pi minus x, find out it quickly. Dx, pi minus x. Okay, so how you are supposed to do? Integration of that pi minus x. So pi, okay, pi is a constant with that one, so you can write it what? Pi x. Fine, you can write pi x minus x, so x square by 2. You have to make practice of putting limit also, right? Otherwise you will get a wrong answer. Okay, a0, find out a0 quickly. I have just, you need to put now limit, right? Integration also I have written. Just you need to put what? The concept of limit. Fine. A0 equal to 0. No. Okay, pi by 2, pi, 0, pi. Okay, one student has asked why only pi minus x. Okay, so what is the equation for a0? So for a0, the equation will be what? In odd even? 2 upon pi integration 0 to pi fx dx. Now 0 to pi, here it's a discontinuous function, right? Discontinuous function, and interval we want 0 to pi. So in 0 to pi, you can see in 0 to pi, we are having pi minus x. So that is the main thing in this continuous. What? Okay. In two interval, there is a two different value of same function. That's why it is called discontinuous. So we want in 0 to pi. So that's why we have taken what? Pi minus x. Is it clear? Pi minus x, right? Okay, now the answer of this. Okay, any one student, I'll randomly unmute. Okay. Okay, fine. 22 Sanjay. 22 Sanjay. Unmute yourself. Sorry.
Pi.
Okay, the answer is pi. Fine. Okay. Okay, so your answer will be what? Pi. Simple, right? Just you need to put here pi. So you will get pi square minus pi square by 2. Okay, I'll write down. Okay, pi. So what happened here? Pi square. Fine. Pi square minus pi square by 2. It's a easy one, right? Why? Because 0. Lower limit is 0. So here x 0. So obviously first term 0. Here if you will put 0. So obviously that term is also supposed to be 0. So pi square minus pi square by 2. Just do the simplification of this. So you will get what? Pi. This is simple one, right? Okay. Ma'am, you shade, we have to take a0 by 2, so we will not take. That is up to you. See, if you are taking a0 by 2, then don't take 2 by pi. And if you have given only, if you have taken a0, then take 2 by pi. See, in some book they have written a0 by 2. In some book they have written only what? A0. So that is up to you. If you want to go in that way a0 by 2, then you can also go in that way. Otherwise simple a0. Fine. So when you are writing series, fine, so at that time you will get what? Pi by 2. When there is a f of x equal to a0 by 2. Fine. So at that time you will get what? Your pi by 2. And if you have taken a0 in equation, so here you have to consider 2. So at that time you will get answer of a0 itself is a pi by 2. Clear? Who have message last? Is it clear to you? Okay, fine. Okay, so the answer is what? A0 equal to pi. Now an. What should be an here? Sorry. An. An equal to, what is the equation of an? 2 upon pi, 0 to pi, and fx. Okay, an. So with an will be having cos term, right? Cos nx dx. And again see here 0 to pi. So obviously we'll take what? Pi minus x. Integration as it is 0 to pi. Pi minus x cos nx dx. Just solve it quickly. Solve it. Okay, the answer is fine. 2 upon pi minus 1 raised to n. Okay, 1 minus minus. Okay. Quickly solve it. Again, this is also easy one, right? This is u and v, right? This is your u and this is your v. In that way, you need to do the calculation. Okay. I'll unmute randomly, right? Everyone have to count it. 34, Mihir Patel. Unmute yourself. 32. Sorry, 34. Mihir Patel. Are you there, Mihir Patel? Okay, 46. Parthai. 46. Unmute yourself. 46. Seven number. 7 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the value of an.
The value of an is 2 by pi into 1 minus 1 की power n upon n square.
Okay, 2 by pi, 1 minus 1 raised
Minus
to
1
n
की
upon.
power n.
Okay,
n
n
square.
square, right? Okay, correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other answer? Any other answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Fine. So is there any doubt in that answer? Or is it required to whole thing? Because this we have seen previously, right? Pi minus x into cos nx. How to do integration in general form and how to write down, how to solve it. Fine, that we have seen. Yeah. Any doubt? Okay, fine. So your final answer of an would be what? That is 2 upon pi, right? 2 upon pi, here pi is there, 1 minus 1 raised to n upon n square. Fine. Here minus 1 upon minus 1 raised to n, that is coming because of cos n pi. Whenever there is a cos n pi, you have to take what? Minus 1 raised to n, whenever that will be, right? So that is your answer of what? Pi minus x, pi plus x. Just you need to combine a0 and an and you have to write down the series. So what we have seen? Odd even function. Again, there are two parts in there, continuous and discontinuous, right? So we have seen 3 example into that. Fine. Now, today we'll start a next new concept, that is 0 to 2L. You can see here 0 to 2L. Up till now, whatever we have seen, that will be in what? Either it will be from 0 to pi, or we can say 0 to 2 pi. right? Now 2L, that means some values are supposed to be, okay, what doubt you are having? Who have a doubt? Yeah, Dev
Ma'am,
Patel.
in a sum,
Which? The previous one
I
only.
am no ma'am practicing. I am practicing the sum. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so you just WhatsApp me, right? Because we'll continue
Okay.
lecture right now. You just WhatsApp me the sum or screenshot of what at which point you are having doubt, okay? Or you can call me.
Okay.
Fine?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened into that? This, right? 0 to pi or 0 to 2 pi. Up till now we have seen this example, and obviously the minus pi to pi. Here it's a sorry minus pi to pi, right? Now 0 to 2L, that means what? Here some value is supposed to be there. Okay, here some value is supposed to be there. That means what? You will be having a interval, suppose 0 to 5 or 0 to 6, right? In that one, how to solve it, or what is the equation for that kind of sum, right? So that we'll discuss today. Now what happened into that? Suppose we are having one example. We'll directly take a one example and we'll solve it, right? Suppose I will be having fx equal to 4 minus x square in 0 to 2. Fine. So what you need to compare it with what? 0 to 12. This is the first thing. When you are having both term in integer, you have to compare it with what? 0 to 12. That means your 12 equal to 2. The main mistake you are doing in which directly you will take this 2 as a L. But it is not like that, right? You have to consider what? 2L equal to 2. So your L became what? 1. So first you need to, first step is find out the value of L. Now what is the equation in Fourier series? So that I am writing fx equal to a0. Here it's not a0 by 2, right? Remember that thing. Plus integration n equal to 1 to infinity, that remains same, n up to an, right? Then what we are writing, cos nx dx, right? Cos nx. Instead of that, here it will be what? Cos, this you need to remember, n pi x by L. Here the term will be changed, right? Plus sigma n to infinity bn sine n pi x divided by L. L is only in the division of what? N pi x, not whole, right? So this is my equation of what? Fourier series. But when there will be 0 to 2L interval is that. Now L equal to 1. So directly put into this equation first. A0 equal to, sorry, A0 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an. Now L1, right? So cos n pi x plus sigma n equal to 1 infinity bn sine n pi x, L equal to 1. Is there any doubt here? Is there any doubt? 0 to 2L. So you need to find out first L. This is the equation of what? Fourier series. A0 plus this. Here n pi x by L. Here you need to put the value of what? L. Fine. So, and again, you can find out what? A0, AN and BN. Simply, right? Now, what is the equation for A0, AN and BN? So, that is changed. Because previously we are having what? Either 1 upon 2 pi or 2 upon pi, right? Now here the equations are of A0, AN and BN. So that will become what? A0 equal to 1 upon 2L. Remember this. 0 to 2L. Here there is a 2L, not L, right? Fx dx. AN equal to 1 upon 2L 0 to 2L fx, fine, fx with that cos term. So cos n pi x divide by L dx. Now here there will be not a 2L, here only a L, right, with an. Fine. Now bn. Again bn is also a 1 upon L 0 to 2L fx with that sine term, sine n pi x by L dx. So this you need to remember. First is what? First step is you need to find out L. Then the equation is A0 plus this and plus this, right? Now A0, AN and BN. So with A0, just you need to remember, right? How it will be derived, that is not in your syllabus. A0 equal to 1 upon 2L, 0 to 2L fx dx. AN equal to 1 upon L, 0 to 2L fx with that cos n pi x by L, and in that sine n pi x by L, right? In previous slide you have series equation n s cos n pi x fine. So that is the thing. Okay, with that, okay, fine, this is an equal to cos n pi x by L. This is the thing when you are having in what, 0 to 2L. This is the equation of Fourier series when you are having what, 0 to 2L term. Okay, fine. So this is changed here, because in previously whatever we have seen the example, the L will not be there, right? Only pi or 2 pi. So that's why it is some differ one. Okay. Now example. So example is fx equal to, write down, fx equal to, the example is x square, the example is, that is 4 minus x square. 4 minus x square, and in interval of 0 to 2. So first step, compare it with which one? 0 to 2L. So your L will become again a 1. Fine. Is there any doubt here? L equal to 1. Just write down into chat box how A0 expression is derived. See, how it will be there, that is not in your syllabus, how that value will be there, right? Just for you have to remember that equation. Fine, fx. Now you need to find out what? A0, AN and BN. So what is for A0? A0 equal to 1 upon 2L, fine, 0 to 2L fx dx. This is the equation for A0, that we have just, what is changed here, instead of 0 to 2 pi, this is 0 to 2L. That's it, right? Fine. So in that way you need to find out A0. Now simple, instead of fx, just put what? 1 upon 2L, 0 to 2L. Now 2L equal to 2. See here, 2L equal to 2. So put here 2. Okay. Sometimes you will put what? L equal to 1. So here directly you will take 0 to 1. Then also now L equal to 1. So no need to write this L also, right? 1 upon only 2. So that is it. Now what happened here? Just you need to do simple the integration. 4 minus x dx. Do it quickly. 1 by 2, 4 minus x. So it would be 4x minus x square by 2. Fine. And 0 to 2. Just put this 2 into this. See, 0 no need to put, because when you put 0 instead of x, the both term will be what? 0. So obviously you have to only put the upper limit. Fine. So 8 minus. This is what? x square by 2, so 2 square. So obviously you will get 4 by 2. Just simply, just a minute. Here 4 minus x square. So here you are having x cube by 3. Yeah, that was the mistake. So 8 by 3 here. Fine. Now A0. Simple this is, right? What should be the answer of A0? The answer would be 2. No. How it will be 2? 1 by 2, 8 minus 8 by 3. Yeah, the answer will be what? 8 by 3. Correct one. The answer would be 8 by 3. The answer is 8 upon 3. Okay, AN. Find out AN. That is equation is what? 1 upon L 0 to 2L fx cos n pi x divided by L. So 1 upon L. So L is what? 1. So no need to write. Right here 1 upon L. That means what? 1 upon 1. So if you are not writing it, then also it's okay, right? So I'll remove it. Okay. Now directly we'll write what? The part of integration. So that is what? 0 to 2L. 2L equal to what? 2. So 0 to 2. Fx equal to 4 minus x square cos n pi x by L. L is 1. So I'll write only what? N pi x dx. So now this is your u and this is your v. Now I want one student to write down the integration of this general root. Okay. Meanwhile, if you have solved it, you can write down the answer into the chat box, right? I want one student for the derivation of this thing, right? This is just you need to apply the general rule. 3 number. Preeti. Or yeah. 3 number.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. Okay, just what is or in which way we can write the general rule, right? 4 minus x square. First term only. Only first term is enough.
Okay. 4 minus x square as it is.
Okay.
Then,
Fine. Yes.
Sin n pi x upon n pi.
Just a minute. Sin n pi x upon n pi. Why n pi? Because here x with n pi. Yeah, that's why. Fine. Okay, second term, can you?
Yeah. Minus.
Yeah. Okay, minus.
Then in bracket minus 2x.
Yes. Always you supposed to
Derivative
write.
of 4 minus x square.
Okay. And then again in
Then,
another bracket.
Minus cos n pi x upon n square pi square.
Okay, minus cos n pi x upon n square pi square. Sorry, here x is there, n square pi square. Fine. Third term.
Plus 2.
Okay, plus 2. Direct I'll write
Plus into bracket minus 2.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Hmm.
Then minus sin n pi x
Okay.
upon n cube pi cube.
Yes, n cube pi cube, right? Okay, and the limit. Fine.
0 to 2.
Fine. Okay. Okay, you can mute yourself. Now I want another student for what? To apply the limit concept and for the final answer. Okay. Now everyone have to need to write down this all the things, right? So I'll now randomly, because you are not solving even an example, right? I have given in each and every lecture example to you for solving, but you are not supposed to do it. I told you you have to make a notebook, separate notebook for this, and solve and practice on more and more example, right? 45 number Vinay. 45 number Vinay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. This I want the answer of this equation when you are applying the limit.
First term is 0.
Yeah, first term is 0 because sine 2n pi is 0. So no need to write. Fine.
0.
Okay, fine. Then fine.
Minus 4.
Okay, minus 4. So that you need to consider that part, right? Term. Okay, so minus 4. Fine.
Minus 4 upon into 1 upon n square pi square.
Okay, n square pi square. And cos 2n pi, is it required to write or?
It's is equal to 1.
Okay,
Cos
it's
2n
1.
pi is
Fine,
equal to 1.
fine. So we are not writing. Okay, and what about third term for upper limit?
Is 0.
Again sin 2
Because
pi, 0. Okay,
Sin
okay,
2n
fine.
pi is equal to
Okay,
0.
and what about the lower limit? 0.
For lower limit, first term is 0.
Okay, because
Second-
yeah.
Second term is also 0. Because
Why
2
0?
into
Because
0 is
2x. Yeah. So
2x
yeah,
is
yeah.
equal.
Just a minute. At that time also you can make a mistake. Why? Because what happened into that? Cos 0. Fine. Cos 0. So at that time it is 1. Okay. So by mistake maybe you will be taking what? 1 upon n square by pi square, right? So here just you need to consider this term also. That is what? 2x. Fine. Okay. So both the term will become a 0. So our answer would
And
be what? Minus 4 upon n square by pi square. Clear? Okay, fine. You can mute yourself. Okay. Now Bn. Okay. We'll continue with what? Bn. So what is the equation for? I'll write just the equation here. You are supposed to do it. Bn equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L fx and sin nx dx. Do it quickly. We'll write into the another, right? Bn equal to 1 upon L 0 to 2L fx sin nx, sorry, sin n pi x upon L dx. Fine. Okay. 1 upon L. So our L is 1. No need to write. 0 to 2. Fx is what? 4 minus x square. And with that what? Sin n pi x dx. Okay. Just do this. Solve it. Okay. I'll unmute any one student for writing the terms. Fine. Just solve it. Yeah, 7 number. 7 number. Just let me know the
Yes,
term.
ma'am.
Yeah, just let me know that first term.
4x square into minus cos n pi x upon n pi.
First term, only first term. This is your u, this is your v.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in that way I am asking. First term is u. So as it
U.
is 4 minus x
4
square.
minus
in that-
x square.
Yes. Now sin n pi
Science
x.
integration is minus cos n pi x
Yes.
upon n
Minus cos n pi x upon
pi. N
pi.
pi.
Okay, n pi, fine. See, the meeting may be end in few seconds, right? Just you need to solve this, okay? I'll ask anyone this, bn, fine. Okay, this is our second term.